Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix program or file error. Windows cannot access this specified device, path or file. You may not have the appropriate permission to access the item. Guys, if you are facing the issue, then I will show you how to fix this issue. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all, you have to click on start menu. Then click on settings. In this you can see here privacy and security. Just tap on the privacy and security. Just tap on the Windows security. You will find app and browser control. Just tap on that. Guys, under reputation based protection you will find reputation based protection setting. Just click on that. You have to scroll down a little bit. You can see here potentially unwanted app blocking. You have to remove both these check marks. Just click on yes and remove this one and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix program or file error. Windows cannot access the specified device on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.